Hey guys, it's Michi, owner of Headlines by DeFranco Salon and Posh Collection Boutique, and I am back with another video. So guys, I'm gonna stick with this whole beginner's wig unit thing because I see you guys are in love with it. We have been selling out like crazy. So I want to show you guys another hairstyle that you can do super simple, super easy using the beginner's wig unit by Posh Collection, and it can be purchased at iloveposhcollection.com. So let's go. So guys, let me just put my disclaimer out here. Yes, I have lipstick on my teeth. No, I did not know it was there while I was filming, but I was not about to shoot this freaking video over. So let's just try to stay focused on the main issue, which is learning how to install these wigs. So let's go, guys. Back to our regular scheduled program. So this is the beginner's wig unit. This is the 130%. I colored it black. I love my hair to be jet black. And as you can see, I want you guys to see how the units actually come. So what I do with each purchase is I actually add an elastic band on there. That's to secure it to your head. And also your units come with combs on the side. I took mine out because I just like to stick hairpins in my head. But your unit will actually come with the comb on each side as well as the elastic band in the back. So let's get started with our braiding technique, which is super simple. Again, this is something that's supposed to be done at home. A beginner's wig unit is supposed to be super convenient. This is supposed to be for the person who wants to put on and take their wig off when they're home. So I'm gonna make this easy for you guys. You don't have to be a braid artist or anything like that. You just need enough braids, braided tight enough just so your wig is secure and stays on. So this particular unit, I'm going to do a side part. And if you've seen my last video, you know I like to leave the edges out to make it look super natural. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. Now you want to make sure you have a 4-inch space for your closure. So your closure is going to sit about here, so you don't need to leave that hair out. So just to be on the safe side, we're going to leave just a small amount out down here, however much you want to leave out. Just keep in mind the purpose of it is to make it look natural. If the wind blows, if you want to tuck it behind your ear, you want to make sure that you leave enough hair out that's going to cover up the elastic band on the unit. Now keep in mind when you purchase your unit that it has the 4x4 closure on it, but if you want to wear it to the side, all you have to do is adjust it to the side, to the right side, to the left side, to the middle, wherever you want the band to be. Just be sure you have it placed before you actually cut it into a hairstyle, okay? And I'm just going to start braiding. You don't need super small braids. Again, you just need something that's secure that'll help hold your unit down. Right, now where your closure is going to sit, you do not want to leave hair out because your closure is going to be attached to your forehead. So you want to make sure you comb that hair back. And I have a few people who have DM'd me or sent me messages that say, you know, well, what if they don't have, you know, edges or their edges are thin? If your edges are thin, you still just want to comb some down. If you're like, some people are just a little, they're missing hair in the middle, but they may have some on the edge, just comb that down. And if you just completely don't have, you know, any edges, don't worry about it because the band is going to sit right here. It's not going to cause any extra breakage. We're not doing anything that's going to make any of your hair fall out. This is totally safe. So if you don't have edges, that's fine. This is actually the perfect wig unit for you, okay? Let's put our stocking cap on. So all you need is a beige or a nude color, whatever is closest to your skin tone. Okay, so before you do any type of styling, I would just say put the unit on first, just to give yourself an idea of how you want to wear it. So my unit is on. Fits nice and secure. So this is what your edges should look like once your unit is on, okay? I'm a little thin myself, but I'll be good. So now I am gonna take this back off and cut the lace off. But I'm just showing you guys what I would want you to do at home if you were trying to actually cut your unit into a hairstyle. So we're gonna do a bob. So just for the sake of making sure we cut our bob the exact length that we want, I'm just gonna show you what to do prior to putting your unit back on the mannequin head to cut. I'm sure I'll hear the hair police. Oh my God, why is she cutting that long hair? I would not be buying all this long hair just to cut it off. I want a bob, but I want some length in my bob. So I'm just gonna cut this in the front now. Now I normally wouldn't do this because I'm a hairstylist, so I can kind of eye it, but I'm just showing you guys what you would do if you were to cut this at home. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Oh my God, that is wasteful spending. Relax, it'll be fine, okay? Okay, so I just cut a guide where I wanted to stop at, so we're just gonna take the unit off. We're gonna put it on a mannequin head, we're gonna cut her, and then we're gonna style her. Longer hair actually makes the best bobs because it puts the weight on it to make it have a lot of movement. Now I'm just gonna go in and pluck the closure a bit. Now let's style her. So her lace is still on, so I'm just gonna go in and cut the lace off. Put her back on. Okay, she's on, so I just like to throw a couple of hairpins in her for additional security. So just kind of find a spot. You don't have to put it anywhere particular. Just make sure it goes through a braid. Some people like the combs. I prefer the hairpins because I can stick them wherever I want. So in my last video, I showed you guys how to use the Gots to Be blasting spray, but now I'm going to show you how to use the Gots to Be gel. So I'm just going to put a little on my finger and just going to rub it right up against my forehead near my hairline. Nothing special. One coat. Put it down while it's still wet because it will dry fast. I can't guarantee this with any other wig units except for the Posh Collection wig unit. Okay, so now it is down. Pull on it. Secure. And for those of you who want to add the baby hair, you can go ahead and add the baby hair. Again, you guys know I don't do the baby hair, not on myself at least. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like this and then finish my look. Let's see if I want to take this side behind my ear. I can, like so. I'm just going to keep combing my curls because I actually want them to loosen up just a bit. So I'll just keep combing until I break them up some. Look at all that movement. Look at that. Yes, come through. We want to do some height. Let's try this. Let's give it a little push, push. A little push, push. That's how you do your look coming together.
I hope you enjoyed this video of the Posh Collection 130% Fullness Wig Unit. And make sure you guys go on my website, iloveposhcollection.com, because the wig units are now on sale, so get it while it's hot. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on IG at MadAboutMeechie, as well as my boutique at I Love Posh Collection, where you can see 1-minute tutorials as well as get the latest information on sales and promotions.